Hello, this is how to change the colours or background of a cell. So for example here, I'm in my title one, I've got a nice green background. I click where I want to be, which is in the title. I then go for the table detail there and it selects it all. Okay, if I click out of it again and nothing's selected, I go inside it, I look for TD for table detail. If I click TR for table row, it gets everything. Just the box I want, the table detail. Over here, it says BG colour. Click it, choose another colour. I can go for more colours, I can choose that colour there, and OK. That's what it looks like. Simple as that. Same goes for in here. I want a different background. White's boring. Click where I want to be. I'll go to table detail. I'll have the whole lot. Let's see, what colour shall I have for this? Go for BG, background colour. Click on it. Let's have no, more colours, choose what I want, fade there, OK. Oh, that's really hard to see, that's a rubbish colour. So, click where you want to be, find the table detail or the table row. When it's all selected, change the background colour over here. In the tag properties, it should say BG colour or colour of some type. Click it, table detail, and you see it brings the attributes there and background colour, BG colour. Try that on all your cells to change the colour. Thank you.